So we are really brainstorming the art of the possible when we think about the rebuild of Tyndall Air Force Base. We are not going to just rebuild the base we had. We want to fundamentally think about it differently and build the base that we need.
If you wanted to actually test some new ideas of how to build a base of the future, you might as well start with the base that's just been annihilated. Hurricane Michael just literally ripped through the base. It just wasn't built to be hurricane proof, sadly, so a lot of the buildings were just completely destroyed. Do we just build a replica of what we had before? Do we build it a little bit different, or do we build it, amazingly different?
We've talked about this. We've talked about the installation of the future. Let's do it. I mean, the installation of the future really is the installation of today.
It's critical that we get all those components in now and that it's done quickly, because the longer we wait, the longer it takes for Tyndall to be returned to even surpass its former glory. The damage to the community, and I think to our country, is somewhat irreparable.
We have industry folks here, we have government folks here coming together and trying to tease out, what do we think we need at that base. So collaboration is the big word, the watchword for me today.
I've been with Tyndall since 2005, and so Tyndall truly is my home. I live right outside the base. Having the folks in that room to be focused together on the same goals, marching in the same direction, actively working together to bring about the best possible result is tremendously encouraging.
Our community took a hit on October 10th, but this is just one of the many examples that shows we're going to come back bigger and better than we were before.